Good morning, class 6. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 8, that is body movement. In the previous lectures, we had discussed about the movements and the body structure of humans. Now, from today onwards, we are going to discuss about the movement in other animals. And there are two categories of animals, that is vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are those animals which have a vertebral column or backbone, like us, like snake, birds, fish. These are the vertebrate animals because they have a backbone. Invertebrate animals are those animals that don't have these vertebrates or internal skeletons. These are called the invertebrates. So 98% of animals come in this category, invertebrates. They don't have a backbone. So how they will move? So here we are going to take some examples of their movements. We'll discuss about cockroach, we'll discuss about earthworm, we'll discuss about snail, that how they will move. If they don't have a backbone, then how they will move, the pattern of their movement we will discuss from today onwards, or in this video lecture we will discuss about the movements of invertebrates. So let's just start from the first, that is earthworm. So here you will find a word gait, G-A-I-T. So gait means the pattern of movement. Gait means G-I-T, gait means pattern of movement in which the animals move. So here first of all we will discuss about earthquake. I hope you all had seen earthquake somewhere in your surrounding. So what you are saying, it is a very soft structure and a long type of structure, long thread like structure, not thread, a thick thread like structure. But if you observe properly, the body is made by ring like structure, or segments are there. And if you observe, then how it will move. Before the discussion of movement, I want to discuss a little about the structure of the body. So ring like segments are there, and if you observe, there are very small microscopic structure underside of this earthworm, underside of this earthworm. These are called seta or bristles. They are hair like projection, but microscopic you can say, and you have to observe it by the help of microscope. So how earthworm is moving? So first of all, you observe that very earthworm contract his body. The front part it expand and the back side it contract. Again the front side it contract and back side it expand. So this expansion, the front portion it expand and the back side contract. Again the front portion contract and the back side expand. So this is what expansion contraction, expansion contraction, and these bristles help them to grab the surface of the earth on which it is moving. So this way earthworm move from one place to other place. And you observe that earthworm move inside the earth, up and down, and they are making hole in the earth. So this process help the farmers to make their crop grow well. So in one way, earthworms are called the friends of farmer. Now comes the snail. So you all have observed snail. There is an outer hard covering of snail, and inside that covering there is a muscular structure. A strong muscular structure is there, coming out from that hard exoskeleton. Inside that skeleton there is no bone in the snail, and if you touch the snail you feel a slippery substance is present over there. So how it will move? If there is no bone, nothing is there, and it doesn't have seta or bristles like structure, so how will it move? So if you put these objects on a glass, on a transparent glass, and if you observe from the downside, you will observe what this snail is doing. This snail excrete a slippery structure, on the surface. It is a slippery structure, and by the help of this thick foot or this strong muscular structure, it start slipping on that slippery object. And that is why its movements is very slow, because excretion of this slippery substance is not very fast or not too much, so it excretes slowly, and so it moves very slowly from one place to other place. This is the movement in a snail. Now comes the movement in an insect, cockroach. So if you observe the cockroach or other insects, you will find a hard covering on the surface of their body, and 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of legs. So a cockroach, or normally insects, walk, they climb, and they can fly also, by the help of their wing. So insects walk by the help of these 3 pairs of legs. When they walk, some legs support them and some legs help them in the movement. So you can say, or it is observed in the insects, that 2 legs in one side and 1 leg in one side. So 3 legs help them to stand and 3 legs help them to move front. So this is how an insect moves. And these legs are attached with the muscles inside their body. Not only that, the wings also attached with the muscles inside their body. The upper layer of wings, or the upper wings, are made up of hard type of substance. So when they fly, the upper wings will fold it, and the lower pair of wings comes out and they start flying. So this is how a cockroach move from one place to another place, or this is how movement is done in the cockroach. So class 6, I hope you are able to understand this movement in earthworm by the help of seta or pieces like structure. Hair like structures are there, expansion and contraction. In the snail, strong thick foot is there, or a muscular structure is there, and they secrete a slippery substance and they slip on that. In cockroach, 3 pairs of legs, 2 pairs of wings, which help them to move, to walk, to run, to climb, and to fly. If any problem, class, ask me. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.